Kali Linux on Windows 10. Now we all know Microsoft has built-in Linux subsystem called WSL on Windows 10, and using this WSL or Windows Linux subsystem we can easily install any type of Linux on Windows machine. And for this we don't need any type of VirtualBox or VMware workstation. Only using Windows subsystem for Linux we can install Kali Linux on our Windows 10 machine. And in this video I am going to show you how to do that. In this video I am going to give you the step-by-step guide so that you can easily install Kali Linux on your Windows 10 subsystem Linux. So without talking too much, let's get started.
First, open up Windows 10 App Store. Then search here for Kali Linux app. Here is the Kali Linux app. Now you can install it from here. Just simply click on Get App and it's going to download and install Kali Linux as your Linux subsystem. It's going to download 160 MB files and install it on your Windows PC. Now you can see here the downloading is completed and you can easily launch it by click on Launch. Now click on Start and open Windows PowerShell and run as administrator to enable the Linux subsystem feature. Now paste this command here and hit enter. Now it will take some time to enable it. After some time it will ask you to restart your computer. Simply press Y and hit enter to restart your computer and it's going to restart. Okay guys, now my computer is restarted. Now you have to do some more configuration to run Kali Linux on your CMD or command prompt. Click on Start and search for Windows Defender Security and open it. Then click on Virus and Threat Protection. Then click on Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Now scroll down and click on Add or Remove Exclusion. Then click on Add Exclusion. Then click on Folder. Now go to C drive. Then go to User folder. Then your PC username. Now open up the App Data folder from here. Then go to Local folder and search here for Packages folder. Now open it up and here you will find a Kali Linux folder. Select that folder from here. Okay, now Kali Linux folder is successfully added to exclusion. Now open up Windows CMD or command prompt and simply type here Kali and hit enter. For the first time it will take some time for installing the required packages on your Windows PC as Linux subsystem, so keep patience. After some time it will ask you to give a username. Type any username you want and hit enter. Then it will ask you for the password. Type your password whatever you want 2 times. And you can see here your password will be updated. Okay guys, now we are done. Now you can type here any Kali Linux command you want. To open it again, open up your CMD or command prompt and just simply type Kali and hit enter. And it will run the Kali Linux terminal or your command prompt or CMD. And here you can type any Kali Linux command you want. You can install any Kali Linux packages and software using the installation command on CMD. Now let's see how to install Metasploit framework on Kali Linux Windows subsystem. Type this command on your terminal: apt install Metasploit framework. And it's going to install the Metasploit framework on your Kali Linux Windows subsystem Linux. You also can update Kali Linux from the terminal using the command. Also, you can install and run any Kali Linux tools like Nmap, Set Toolkit, WP Scan and many more.
So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friend. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you are watching X-Tech Tutorial and I'm signing out.